This tutorial is to deal with ponies SFM and how to auto lip sync them. There is a new file now on Pony SFM that if you are one of the few lucky ones that are interested in doing this, the file is now readily available and all you have to do is import it. To do this, all you have to do is find a model that you like to have, move her wherever you like or whatever, but what we're aiming for is the mouth section. So in order to invade the mouse section, we're going to click on this. We're going to hit Element Viewer, Animation Set. And now that you're in here, you're going to go to Preset Groups. You're going to right click on it, and you're going to hit Import Element. And the file that's inside this very SFM, you're going to load it in. I already have it here. Phenome, Ponies, Revamped, Puppet Style. I have a copy. And we're just going to load it in. And if you look in here, all the phenomes that are on previous sections are now in here. And if you look in the right, phenomes is now a part of Pinkie Pie. Yes, and you have to import this every single time you load in a pony. I don't think there's a way to get around this as of yet. That's why it's still in the making. But anyway, if you just import any random, let's just get a random sound here. Select this little clip and then hit extract phenomes, extract, and she should be able to lip sync automatically. And already we can see her mouth is already starting to open. Let's go ahead and save it and play it. Oh, check. Is this thing on? Okay. Awesome. Hey, so this is a test of the Source Filmmaker Auto Lip Sync for ponies. To fully demonstrate the complete phenomes, I have to say each phenomes as they are pronounced. And this works with any pony, as I have done it with Twilight Sparkle, and they all pretty much have the same lip sync, which is pretty much everything. So Revamped, it has the same bone structure, so it can be used for any pony. So chat, you are welcome. This concludes the tutorial. Hope you enjoyed and learned something today, and I wish you and your household peace and a boop on the nose. Boop. Hey, leave a like and comment.